Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will explain you how to SSH and use SSH tunneling to access your Windows server in your private subnet through our Bastion host. So first of all, I will go take you to my AWS resources screen where we can see what's going on there. So I have 4 running instances now. Splunk from my previous Windows, we have already installed it. So first of all, I will go my domain controller, go to security groups and have a look. So I will edit it. Right now it is allowing RDP from everyone. I will only allow this through my jumpbox security group. See this one, when I type SG, it will give you all the security groups available. I will select security group of jumpbox. And now I will go to EC2 console and grab my jumpbox IP. And you can see, copy the public IP, open putty, and from here, copy that in my hostname, then go to SSH authentication and browse for my private key. So I'm using jumpbox key here, and the login name is Ubuntu. Now I am already in my jumpbox. So here I will create a tunnel that will allow me to SSH to RDP into my Windows server. So I will be using this 127.0.0.18080. This is the way to RDP into your Windows instance 10.0. This IP should be matching with your domain controller IP, that is Windows Server. So this is 10.0.1.10, 10.0.1.10. So port is 3389 for RDP. I will be adding this and apply. So for RDP, I will go in my Windows search and the RDP connection will be open. And in the username should be administrator by default. Connect. See, in the computer, I gave 127.0.0.1.8080 colon 8080. So in this, I will be using the same key for domain controller that I used before. So I will click on that, get password, dns.pm is the key. I will take you to that path. I have to give that path. So this is dns.pm. This is the way how to RDP, how to use. For the first time, I'm going to log in into my domain controller. That's how we RDP into that instance. You can see here, I'm already inside it. And now I will show you how to access my Splunk Enterprise that we installed in previous video 10.0.1.100 colon 8000. Because Splunk is already running. Have a look on my configuration. That is not allowing right now to access the internet or other servers. Let us check ping. Now I should be able to go that. And also, for the time being, I will turn off this. I am just testing my Splunk. So what's happening here is, I already told you, I need to open 8000 port on my domain controller on my Splunk instance. So I will quickly go there, security groups of Splunk, edit my rules, because right now it is not allowing anything. So I will add another rule, customize 8000 port, allow from my DNS server on 0.1.110. Yeah, this is my DNS server. I will write it down so that it makes easy to know what's going on. I'm back again on my DNS. Blocked. So let's install Google Chrome first. This is not allowing me to download anything. This was my previous interface. So I'll copy this. Now you can see I'm able to log in into my Splunk. This is my username and password that I created on the very first time when I installed Splunk Enterprise. So I'm already in my Splunk now, and you can see here I can log in and log out. So it's all good for now, working. Now I will go to Active Directory roles so that I can log in, I can install them. I will go to Server Manager, go to Manage, add roles and features. So before we begin, there is a wizard that will take us. We need to select this Active Directory Domain Services, add features, then next, yeah, then install. That's how we need to wait a couple of minutes, and then we will be promoting this as a domain controller. And I will give this name of school.org.au. This will be our domain, and we will be using this domain and clubbing all our workstations in classrooms and schools to this domain. For example, PC1 will be pc1.school.org.au, and PC2 will be using pc2.school.org.au. See, installation is under process, so it will take some time, and meanwhile we can have a look on our Splunk. So this was our Splunk from previous video. This is our current instances that are running. We are closely going to build up our solution. First, we have already Splunk. We already had our jumpbox. And now we have already creating our domain controllers. Then we can also install Squid. So this is all done. Installation succeeded. So I will be closing this. You can see here there is a yellow notification. I will go and click here, promote this server to a domain controller. So add a new forest. That's what you create new one, new domain. So this is what I was saying, school.org.au that we will be using. This is again password. You need to give a password here. This happens when you have many passwords. So you go by default. It will take school, I guess, here. BIOS domain name. So we'll keep that one. And it will take another 1 or 2 minutes. Let me go next, again next. That's all. We need a restart now. We are almost at the end stage. See, it's saying install. All procedures passed successfully. The installation is under progress. So once it is finished, guys, we will do a restart and we will be using a domain. We will see, we can in the next video we will add users and we will join our workstations. We will again we will doing RDP in the same way on our workstations. Then also we have Squid. We will be installing Squid on our Linux. So yeah, there are a few things more that are still to come. Yeah, the server was successfully configured as a domain controller. So it is saying now, giving us message, the computer is being restarted because Active Directory domain services was installed or removed. So we have installed it. That's why it is being restarted. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you have covered a lot with me. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks, guys.